Welcome to this charming and well-maintained 3-bedroom home located at 209 Main Street in the Village of Morrice. This property features vinyl siding and windows for a low-maintenance exterior, plus has a brand new roof on the house in 2026. As you arrive, you'll be welcomed by a large covered front porch, which is complete with a swing and plenty of room for additional seating or a small table. This is the perfect spot to relax and enjoy a front row view for all the village parades. Inside, you'll find the spacious living room offers large windows that fill the space with natural light, and it flows seamlessly into the generous-sized dining room. This provides an excellent space for gathering and entertaining. The kitchen features ample countertop space and cabinet space, and all of the appliances are included. Just off the kitchen is a convenient laundry room with a large closet, a wash tub, and access to the backyard and garage area. The main floor also includes a recently updated full bath and a versatile bedroom or playroom space. Please note that the access to the bathroom is currently through this room, though a hallway or doorway could easily be added for separation. Before heading upstairs to the additional bedrooms, you'll find a cozy nook that makes for the perfect office or study area. Step outside to enjoy the backyard oasis, featuring an exposed aggregate concrete patio with canopy, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Beyond that is the oversized detached garage, and there's even more yard space to enjoy. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga with Keller Williams First. If you'd like more information on this home or to schedule a time to see it, please reach out to me by phone or text at 517-712-8009.